Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. To do this, first we have to find out the difference between these two and these two, right? See here, A1 is what? 0.2. A2 is 0.22. A3 is 0.222 and A4 is 0.2222. First, let us find out the difference between these two. D is equal to A2 minus A1. Sorry, A2 is 0.22. Okay, 0.22 minus 0.2. I will do here 0.22 minus 0.2 is what? Nothing is here means we will write 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0.02. Isn't it? Here it is plus sign. Therefore, it will remain as plus 0.02. 0.02. Now, let us find out the difference between these two. Okay. D is equal to A3 minus A2. That is, A3 is 0.222 minus 0.22. That is here 0.222 minus 0.22. 2 minus 2 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0.002. That is 0.002. Now, see these both. Whether they are equal? No. 0.02. 0.002 means the D it is not same, isn't it? It is smaller and it is greater. D it is not same in both the cases. Therefore, it is not an AP. Okay? This is not an AP. A1 is 0, A2 is minus 4, A3 is minus 8 and A4 is minus 12. First, let us find out the difference between these two. That is, D is equal to A2 minus A1. See here, A2 is minus 4. See carefully. A2 is minus 4. Okay. Then for this minus symbol, I will write minus. Then A1, let me take it in the bracket. Okay. See here, minus 4, minus 0, right? Answer is minus 4. Then D is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 8. Okay. Then for this minus, let me write minus. A2 is what? Minus 4. See here, see carefully. Minus 4. Okay. Then is equal to minus 8. Minus into minus is plus 4. Okay. Now minus 8 plus 4 means we have to subtract and we must keep the sign of greater number. That is 4. 8 is the greater number. Therefore it is minus 4. Okay. Then D is equal to A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3 is equal to A4 means what here? Minus 12. Okay. Minus 12. For this minus, let me write minus symbol. A3. A3 is what? Minus 8. Okay. Again, minus 12. Minus into minus is what? Plus 8. Minus 12 plus 8 is what?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Here the differences are same. Therefore, it is an AP. This is an AP. Since it is an AP, we have to find 3 more terms. Okay? Already it is A1, A2, A3, A4. We have to find A5, A6 and A7. Let me do here. A5. See here. What is the formula? A plus 4D. Right? A plus 4D. We know that A is what? 0. Okay? A is 0 plus 4 into D is what? Minus 4. Again, look at this. Minus 4. So, take it in the bracket. 0 plus 4 into 4 is 16 plus, but plus into minus is minus. Therefore, it will become minus 16. Now, 0 plus into minus is minus 16. Therefore, 5 is minus 16. Okay. Now, let us find A6. A6, what is the formula? A plus 5D. Isn't it? Here, A6 is equal to, A is 0 plus 5 into D. D is minus 4. Okay. Now, A6 is equal to 0. For this plus, let me write plus. 5 4s are 20, plus, but plus into minus is minus. Therefore, let me take it in the bracket. Then, A6 is equal to 0 plus into minus is minus 20. Therefore, A6 is minus 20. Okay. Let me rub this. Now A7. A7 is equal to A plus 6D. A7 is equal to A is 0. 0 plus 6 into D. D is minus 4. Okay. Then A7 is equal to 0. For this plus, let me write plus. 6 4s are 24. That is minus 24. Okay. Then A7 is equal to 0 plus into minus is minus 24. Therefore, the answer is minus 24. Therefore, the required AP is R 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, minus 16, minus 20, minus 24 and so on. Minus half, minus half, minus half, minus half and so on. Say A1 is minus 1 by 2. A2 is also minus 1 by 2. A3 is also minus 1 by 2. A4 is also minus 1 by 2. First, let us find out the difference between these two. That is, D is equal to A2 minus A1. See here, A2 is 1 by 2. That is minus 1 by 2. See carefully. A2 is minus 1 by 2. Then, for this minus sign, let me write minus. Okay. Then, A1. A1 is minus 1 by 2. So let me take it in the bracket. Okay. Now, see here, minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus, it is plus 1 by 2. Okay. Now, plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, it will get cancelled, right? Therefore, it is 0. Now, let us find out the difference between these two. That is, D is equal to A3 minus A2. Again, it is minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. Right? We will get the same answer. That is minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It is 0. Right? Then, D is equal to A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3 is also minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. We will get minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. And it will get cancelled. Therefore, the answer is 0. Now, the difference between all these are same. That is 0. Therefore, it is an A. This is an A. Now, let us find out 3 more terms. We know that A is equal to minus 1 by 2 and D is 0. Now, A5 is equal to A plus 4D. That is, A5 is equal to A is minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into D is 0. Therefore, A5 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 4 into 0 is 0. Therefore, A5 is minus 1 by 2. A6. We will get the same answer, but we have to do it in the exam. So, do it. A6 is equal to A plus 5D. A6 is equal to A is minus 1 by 2 plus 5 into D is 0. Therefore, A6 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 0. Minus half plus 0 is what? Minus half or minus 1 by 2. Then A7 is equal to A plus 6D. We know that A is minus 1 by 2 plus 6. D is 0. That is A7 is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 6 into 0 is 0. That is A7 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the required AP is minus 1 by 2, 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 minus 1 by 2 and so on. We know that A1 is 1, A2 is 3, A3 is 9 and A4 is 27. Okay. Now D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is 3 minus 1 is what? 2. Now let us find out the difference between these two. That is D is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay. A3 minus A2, that is 9 minus 3, it is 6. Now D, here it is 2 and here it is 6. Both are not same. Therefore, it is not an AP. This is not an AP. Say A, 2A, 3A and 4A. We have to say that whether it's an AP or not. For that, we have to find out the difference between these two and these two. Okay? That is, A1 is A, A2 is 2A, A3 is 3A and A4 is 4A. Now, D is equal to. First, let us find out the difference between these two. That is A2 minus A1. See here, A2 is 2A, right? So, I will write 2A minus A1 is A plus 2A minus A is what? A, right? 2A minus A is A. Then, D is equal to. Now let us find out the difference between these two. That is A3 minus A2. See here, A3 is what? 3. Minus A2 is what? 2A. 3A minus 2A. It is what? A. Okay. Now let us find out the difference between these two. D is equal to A4 minus A3. A4 is 4A. Minus A3 is what? 3. 4A minus 3A. It is what? A. Now observe this. A. All the differences are same. Therefore, this is an AP. Okay? This is an AP. Since it is an AP, we have to find few more terms. Let us find out the 3 more terms here. Already we have A1, A2, A3 and A4. Now let us find A5. We know the formula. A5 is A plus 4D, right? A plus 4D. Now see here, A5 is equal to A. A is what? A is A itself, right? Plus 4 into. What is D? D is A. Therefore, let me write here A. A5 is equal to A plus 4 into A is 4A. Plus A plus 4A. It is what? 5. Okay. Then let us find out A6. A6 is equal to A plus 5D, right? A6 is equal to A is A itself, right? Plus 5 into D is A. Let me write A. A6 is equal to A plus 5 into A is 5A. A6 is equal to plus A plus 5A. It is what? 6A. Now let me rub this one. A7 is equal to A plus 6D. A7 is equal to A is A plus 6. Difference is A plus A plus 6A. It is what? 7A. Therefore, the required AP are, therefore, the required APs are A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A and so on.